My name's David Oduro. I'm the Channel Development Manager for UK and Ireland for professional products. I work for Wacom. Right, this is what we call this a Cintiq 24 HD. So it's an interactive pen display. So what we can do is that we can actually draw, we can sketch, we can navigate all around this huge piece of monitor. So the nice thing about this is that the pens are pressure sensitive. So anybody's aware of Wacom and what we are and what we do, they should be well aware about this being our biggest monitor that we've done to date. If I look at our resolution, we're looking at 1920 by 1200s. Also, at this present moment in time, this is pretty much about what, 80 degrees or whatever. This can actually be brought down. This can be brought down to about 10 degrees quite easily. We can actually rotate the canvas if we want to. We can also pick how big we want our brush size to be. We can actually zoom in and zoom out quite happily using all of these wonderful buttons. So for me to actually go off, use the ability to scroll in, scroll out, as you can well see on this big screen. Again, if I can't get my hand round in terms of drawing or sketching, again I can easily rotate it. And also, if I need to change my size of my brush, again you can see that working quite easily. So we've added a whole bunch of different types of buttons. So again here, I can easily see all my show settings. I can also see if I want to use a right click, an apple. I can use a pan and scroll. So here, for example, I'll turn that off. If I hold down my pan and scroll, it turns into my hand tool. So I can actually get this to drift where I want to, anywhere on the canvas. Then I can start working with it as well. It's truly an amazing piece of kit. Truly amazing piece of kit.
Why bring this to the show?
But basically, if we look at the resellers who are here, a lot of them are in the APR channel, so they sell Apple kit, and they usually sell that Apple kit to graphic designers, video guys, sound guys, and we fall into that creative arena. Also, they have a range of resellers who specialise in 3D animation, CAD as well, and it really fits in there too. So for us to bring this product where they can actually see it, they can feel it, they can touch it, they can ask questions about it, they can see it in action, because this is the only one that we've got in terms of demonstration models in the country. So for them to actually get their hands on one, instead of seeing it on a YouTube video or hearsay, they can speak to us directly about it, and we can answer all their questions about it. So it's pretty good. It's a good event.
Do you get a lot of feedback?
Get good feedback. We get positive feedback as well. You find out what's happening in the channel. You find out what's happening with their customers. You find out how we're doing ourselves in terms of our marketing. It's quite easy to stay in your ivory tower and see and put all these plans together, and you never know if these things are working or not. So when you speak to the resellers, you get it from the horse's mouth. You find out if what you're doing is right. You find out if you need to do anything in terms of relationships as well. So not just ourselves, but I can imagine all the other resellers, the other vendors who are here are thinking about the same thing as well.